Hey guys, Bogosian here. We're at the airport headed to SEMA 2019. We're here for Kicker, we're here for Blaster, we're here for Interco Tires. We're going to see all the brands and my sponsors. We're boarding in about 30 minutes. We're pumped. Day one, walking around, getting used to the lay of the land, see what companies we want to attack, and get some sponsorships. Let's go.
You like playing with these bad boys. Here we go, Lucas spotted GoPro over here.
Spotted GoPro, I'm hyped to talk to them, use their stuff all year round. First experience, man, sitting here at Power Stop booth. Guys were super cool, so it's great. Hopefully we can talk a partnership in 2020. Thanks for watching. Here we are, guys. SEMA 2019, sitting in the Kicker audio booth. Come on. So something that is totally overlooked, Kicker has great subs, and everyone knows that, but it's a personal line of audio. They have a big personal line of audio. BF100, 100% waterproof, great speaker. If you want to get a little louder, you go up to the BF400. Dude, these bullfrog speakers, bump. And they got headphones, dude, they got it all. Kicker personal audio, check it out. Hey guys, Bogosian here, SEMA 2019, day 2. Yesterday we saw Kicker, we shot videos for Kicker. Today we're gonna go see Blaster, we're gonna go see Interco Tires, we're gonna go see Real Truck. SEMA, day 2. Best lubricant on the market, Blaster. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave.
And I'm Kip.
And I'm Bogo. Have a great one. Day 4, the last day. Sad to go, but it is what it is, I guess. SEMA 2019. Hey guys, SEMA last day 4, 2019. Out here, we had a great time just wrapping it up. We're a little exhausted, you can probably hear it in my voice. Got a few nice builds behind us, figured we'd finish it like this. Super excited for next year. We had Blast in our sponsors booth. So we'll see you next year, guys. Thanks for watching.